working on the can lights again. Got these all wired in. Jumped them to between. And then I got this wire right there. They had to put that machine in, so they had to pull some of my wire out or move the staples or whatever, move the wire around. But this one looks really bad. I'm not sure if someone pulled all my staples out, but I'll double check on that tomorrow. It looks super wavy. But these ones look pretty decent, going right down there. So got those wired in, all made up, and then I'll show you on the other side. Got all of them sitting right there. They all go into that box. So got them all labeled and ready to go. And then also got these three can lights in the back hung. So I'll have to pull the wire for that. And then also ran the wire right there for that room. And then got some other can lights over there made up. And then that was basically the day. So hope you guys enjoy. Yeah. So I got this guy out here on the cat, just digging a big hole. Definitely something I would love to do in the future. I just think heavy machinery is really awesome. It just looks fun, and definitely like doing like driving stuff, sorta. I know how to drive those, but not really familiar with the controls. I might have messed with it once or twice, but other things like the grade all and stuff, I've learned a little bit on that, so that's fun. But yep, that is just awesome. Okay, all right guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. Just wiring some can lights, getting those made up. So nothing too special, but just want to fill you guys in, of course, and that'll about wrap up my day. Hope you guys enjoyed. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It would greatly help me out. If you want to, I'd appreciate it. See you guys later. Peace out. And once again, I just want to say thanks for all the comments and support, all the nice things you guys say. I appreciate it. And if you got any questions, leave them down below in the comments or anything you want to say. All right guys, see ya.